Welcome to day 12 of my $0 to $10,000 on Amazon ads for my KDP books. My name is Dean the Wealth Coach and welcome. So let's see what we have in the exciting world of my reports. Let's see if we drove any sales. Oh, we got one sale. Great. We got one sale yesterday. Let's see if how do we check yesterday? Got a sale yesterday today. So we got none yesterday, but today we got. So that's good. Okay. So we got one sale. Let's go over to marketing. Let's see how we're doing. Okay, so we're spending some money on ad spend. Let's show this. Okay. Alright, so we're getting impressions now. Now to find out where we're spending money. There it's Let's see. Okay. So here we're spending a bit of money with no clicks. These two. Okay, so let's go into this one. The cost is still high. Change this to 41 cents. So the moment we reach like $1, and if we're not getting any sales, then we're gonna have to try to figure something else. Either change the keyword or change the ad to a manual ad and use keywords, or change the book cover. See if we can get more traction that way. Okay, so this one we change. Try this. Let's see what this one's doing. 20 impressions, but no sale. So if we don't see a sale here, that means that just came organically. Somebody had the link and they just clicked it, so the ads are not working. So we will need to figure out what or why it's not working. Let's go 53 cents. And so this one, nothing. I don't know what people are talking about. They spend 15, 17 cents on things. Maybe I'm just in the wrong niche. Who knows? Few impressions. Yeah, so from the looks of it, that sale didn't come from the ads. It was just an organic one. So we need to figure out what is working from what is not working. So we spent $2. I got some impressions, but nothing yet. That's it. Words are making more charged. We're getting charged for. So here. Yeah, so we're gonna run this for a while. If we don't see an increase, then we move on to the next. See something here. Cool, 100%. Yikes. That's a lot. We're gonna have to change some of these. Way too high. It's getting impressions, but yikes, the ad spend. That's what the Canadian side. Holy. Get no love in Canada. Let's turn on the UK one today. Also, if you guys are finding value in these videos, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button to keep up to date with my day-to-day journey. This week we're going to be at the halfway mark. I'm committed to finding that winning formula, because once you have that, it's take off. Alright, so all the ads are done. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to set up the UK market for myself. So I'm going to get that done. Yeah, so as you can see from the report, 40 bucks, we're a long way to go. One sale, we got to figure out how to increase these sales. One sale. Too bad I can't find out exactly where this came from or how it came in. Yeah, one sale. Not the end of the world, but hey, we'll get there. So again, thank you for tuning in, and I've linked a video for you to watch next on how to make money with no money, and I'll see you on the next video.